Make a great choice today with
the 2025 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.